The first step in trombone is to lay the case down with the latches facing you and the bell facing left. Once you've undone the latches, you should see three sections: the bell section, the slide, and the mouthpiece. First, we're going to take the slide out carefully, making sure to grab both parts so that the slide doesn't come out. Then we carefully take the bell and attach it just like this. This angle formed here between the slide and the bell section forms a right angle. Then tighten the notch here. Then you can drop the mouthpiece in the other hole and just give a tiny twist to make sure it stays. You hold the trombone with your left hand. In order to do this, you're going to make a shape like this and then place it on the top handlebar of the slide, just like that. When bringing the horn to your mouth, you need to make the shape of an M, something like this. From there, the only thing left to use is your right hand for the slide when you get there. For this, you can use 2 or 3 fingers, just like that. Make sure that you're bringing the trombone to your face instead of pulling your face to the trombone. Now that we've learned proper embouchure of our mouth and hand positioning for the trombone, let's try to make a note. We're not going to need our right hand right now because we're just going to have the slide all the way in. Make sure you're sitting up straight, your embouchure is good and your hands are in the right position, and then let's try to make an F. Should sound something like this. Now that we've done some playing, let's go ahead and put away our instruments. We're going to do this the opposite of the way we put it together. Start by taking your mouthpiece out, little twist, pull out, then you go. For the bell section, make sure you untwist the notch, then carefully slide that off, and that should fit in your case just nicely. From there, it's only your slide, and make sure you put it with this top part and your spit valve on the top. The most important aspect of maintaining the condition of your trombone is making sure that your slide is working well. It's greased up every 2 weeks or so. In order to do this, there are 3 main steps. Step 1 is to clean the inner slide. To do this, take the inner slide almost all the way out of the outer slide. Notice that the outer slide is still covering the end of the inner slide. Then take an old rag and just wipe down both sides of the inner slide. And then work it in a little bit. Make sure you're getting everything out of the outer slide. And then clean it one more time. Step 2, apply your greased product. This could be Slido mix or slide cream, for example. Slido mix you can drip down from the top of each side of the slide, and slide cream you can rub near the bottom of the slide on both sides. Then you just work it in and repeat this process a couple times. The final step is just to spritz a little bit of water with some water bottle on each part of the slide to make sure that it's fully clean. And then you're done.